Hello all, this is Universal Group of Institutions, Bangalore. I'm Khushi Shetty here with the latest news. AIIMS launches study to test accuracy of HPV kits for cervical cancer screening. AIIMS has conducted a study to validate the indigenous HPV testing kits for the cervical cancer screening, aiming to enhance the accessibility as well as the affordability. So AIIMS Delhi, they have launched this. The study tries to assess the accuracy of these kits across multiple study centers with global samples. So it was led by Professor Neerja Bhatla. The project will begin by analysing 1,200 samples coming from France. Testing will be performed at AIIMS New Delhi, NICPR Noida, as well as ICMR-Mumbai. The study will evaluate the efficacy of HPV screening kits as per international quality standards. So who backs the test? Self-sampling kit for cervical cancer causing HPV is currently being tested by institutes as well as hospitals to find out the acceptance among women as well as its efficiency. So WHO has recommended it as a method to increase cervical cancer screening. And cervical cancer is the second most common cancer among the Indian women as well as is often detected late, underlying need for the self-sampling methods. Well, that's all for now. Thank you. Stay tuned for more news. We have a detailed description present on our website. Kindly click on the link that's present down below. Thank you.